guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Leah and I love fall. I love the scent of apple spice. I like to see leaves falling from the tree and I love wearing scarves and sweaters, but I don't love the snow, so fall is perfect. Today I am going to open the October 18 Boxycharm box. Before we get started, I would absolutely love it if you guys would please subscribe to my channel and like this video if you want to see more content like this. Alright guys, let's get into the October Boxycharm. I already have on my face my foundation, primer, concealer, and I've primed my eyeshadow with the shadow primer that we got in the box last month, and it is the Angel Eyes Luscious Primer. I haven't used it yet, so this is going to be, we'll see how this works. But so far I like it. It dries down, it's just a little bit tacky. It doesn't look splotchy or anything, and then I've also contoured and all of that good stuff. Alright, so let's get into the box. So I have not opened it yet. I haven't looked at anything. I've only seen a few things on Instagram and I try to avoid it because I like a surprise with the things I get in the mail. Alright, so when you open your Boxycharm, you get, you know, of course, your box full of goodies. It's all in here, and then you get this little card that tells you everything that's in there. This month's theme is Alter Ego, and then it'll break down everything that's in the box. Looks like this month there's 5 products. You usually get between 4 to 6 full-size products every month in your Boxycharm, and then you usually also get a coupon on the back. This one looks like it's 10% off at It Cosmetics. So there you go. That's what you get to start off with, and then I'm going to keep this for reference over here. Okay, so the first thing I see in the box is It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. This is a value of $24. It is in super black, and it says it's Elastic Stretch Volumizing Mascara that apparently has crazy huge results. We'll find out momentarily. And next is Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick, and this is in the shade Lovesick. Let's take a look at it. This is valued at $20. So this by itself is pretty much the value of the box. This is $24. So already we're at $44 and the box costs $21. Ooh, that's a pretty kind of a cool pinkish mauve-y color. That'll be nice to play with later. Next we have Lace Appeal face masks. This is a black bamboo charcoal peel off mask and the retail price is $30. How many are in here? Okay, so we'll do a masking about it. This is 2 masks in here and the value is $30. So just the mask alone is worth more than the value of the box. Okay, and next is Green Clean by Pharmacy Beauty. It's a cleansing balm. So it's a cleanser. Let's smell. I think that's the most important thing. Sealed. Ooh, it's green. Oh, it smells really fresh. And it's a really fun, it's a balm, but it's like kind of a slippery wet texture. That'll be fun to play with when I wash my face this evening. All right, and the final thing is the Pure Midnight Masquerade Complexion Authority palette. So it's a 10-piece palette that looks like it is, okay, eyeshadows and then blush and highlights. Let's take the little plastic pieces off. Alright, so these are the shadow colors, and none of them are super speaking to me, but we'll see how they go. And then these are the blush colors and a highlight and a bronzer. So we'll see how we do here. I think today I'm going to do, since I'm wearing a purple shirt, I'm going to use this purple color here, this kind of brown color, and maybe this gold a little bit. I think we'll start there. Okay, so last month we got this brush set from Alamar Cosmetics, and I'm going to use this fluffy brush to start. Okay, I'm going to actually start with Enchantment over here, and I'm going to use that for a transition color. Okay, next I'm going to take Disguise from the eye portion of the palette. It's this kind of plummy purple color, and I'm going to be using this Real Techniques brush. And I think for this one I'm just going to go all over my lid because I want it to be very purple. Okay, and finally, I am going to use this brown kind of chocolatey color here called Sneak Peek, and this we're going to do just on the outside edges. Okay, and now I'm going to take this kind of angled fluffy brush from Storybook Cosmetics and use this highlight color to highlight under my brow bone and my inner corner. Okay, I'm gonna just, alright, so, and next I'm gonna take a black Rimmel, and next I'm gonna take a black Rimmel waterproof gel eyeliner, and I'm gonna do the, okay, and next I'm gonna take a black waterproof eyeliner. This one is from Rimmel London, and I'm going to fill in the waterline in my eyes. I am not gonna be putting eyeliner on the top, I'm just gonna put lashes on. Alright, I'm gonna go pop my lashes on, and I will be right back. Alright, so I'm opening the mascara and I'm reading what this says here. It says 96% said lashes look stretched, 96% saw dramatic volume and length, and 96% saw plumper looking lashes, and 100% saw a fuller lash. And it says results observed as of a customer panel. I don't know what those numbers mean, but we're gonna see how we do here. I really like it. It's a nice heavy bottle. I know it's a weird thing to say, but when you get like a light flimsy bottle, it feels cheap. So this feels kind of nice and weighty. I enjoy the shape, and let's see what the brush looks like. That's the most important thing. Okay. Oh. So it's just like kind of a plain spoolie brush, so they must be really wanting to focus on the formula. So let's see how we do. Okay, so that is the mascara on. It is a very wet formula, and you know what? It's pretty nice. I always say that the first time you use a mascara is not the true test. You need it to like use it 1 or 2 times before it gets like the right consistency. But so far I like it. It's nice. It's a little wet, so it's gonna take some time to dry, but it does give some nice length. It doesn't transfer badly. So far I like it. All right, so I like the mascara. I'm going to try it a few more times and see how it goes. But not bad. It's pretty. It looks really pretty. It's not too chunky, and it does give you some nice length. Sorry that I'm leaning so far into my mirror, but I'm hoping it helps you see. Okay, so finally, or next, I guess, we're going to actually use the face stuff on the face. I've already got contour, so I'm going to do some blush. I feel like this is going to be pretty dark. Let me grab a brush blush and see how we look here. With Reveal. It's this kind of purpley shade, which is a pretty shade, but you know, we're going to try just a little and see how it goes. Like, it doesn't seem like it has a whole lot of... Oh no. Okay. Back it up. I'm gonna clean this off and we're gonna start again. Yikes. Okay, holy moly, that was crazy. So I did the best that I could. I think I'm gonna just have to try to match on this side, not too much, but all right. So that blush was a lot more pigmented than I was expecting, and it's a little 80s. So I'm gonna try it in secret. But it's like completely a different color. It's a real corally pink. We'll see how we do. Oh boy, okay, well, this is gonna be a real blushy. Ooh, that is pink. Okay, well, the blushes are total misses for me. Let me grab my loose powder and see what I can do to blend that down, because I look like a clown. All right, I'm back. I just covered it and took it off as best I could. These two blush colors are totally way too bright and way too dark, and no, not good for blush. They're really pretty colors. They'll make nice eyeshadows, but no grass. So I am going to use a Note Cosmetics blush in the shade Desert Rose, and this actually came from another Boxycharm, and I actually really like this color. So I'm gonna try this instead. Oh, much more better. Still looks a little intense on the camera. It does not look like that in person. Gosh. Okay, maybe it's just my camera lens today, but these blushes are looking nuts. I will say those two colors do look crazy in my mirror too. All right, so we'll actually try the highlighters though. And I really like this Twilight color that I used for, and I do really like this Twilight color that I used on my eyes, so we'll try that. Okay. It's pretty. It's a nice subtle sheen. And I feel like I've got a lot of subtle highlights lately, but it's pretty. All right, so the last piece is the Kat Von D Liquid Lip in Lovesick. All right, this lip color is not exactly vibing with the rest of the look, so I'm gonna grab this Violet Voss lip from actually last month's box. We're getting kind of a hybrid of both boxes here, and I will just put a little bit in the center maybe. All right, I think that does look a lot better. This is the Violet Voss Liquid Lip in Feisty. It's a little bit of a metallic sheen, but it's a nice purple, and I think it looks, I mean, it's a little matchy-matchy, but it looks a lot better than that other pink does. And I do actually really like this color. It was just not right for this look that I have here. Okay, let's go piece by piece and look at what I got in this Boxycharm. First was the IT Cosmetics Superhero Elastic Stretch Volumizing Mascara. I really like it. It looks nice. It was a little wet when it went on, but it dried down and it feels good. So far I like this mascara. I'll wear it a few more times and we'll see how it goes. So that was worth $24. The next one was the Dermovia Lace Appeal Black Bamboo Charcoal Peel Off Mask, which of course I will try later, but it feels like there's a little tube of something in here, and then there's a lace mask you put over it. So this will be fun. I'll do another video on this and we'll see how that goes. But this is worth $30. So far we're at $54 worth of product. And like I said, the box is only $21. So it's kind of, you're getting your value's worth actually in just this one. All right, and the next item was the Pure Complexion Authority Midnight Masquerade Palette. It was a bit of a miss for me. Actually, to be honest, all of the Pure Cosmetics items that I've gotten in Boxycharm boxes have not been my favorite. The formula is a little chalky and not super blendable. These two blushes were a total miss. This is way too bright, and this is just way too dark. You can see, like, I tried to fix them up a little bit, and they just do not work for this lighter skin tone. They're pretty colors. They might make nice shadows or something else to play with. This is a decent highlighter. It's got a nice gold sheen. It's nice and subtle. I think it looks nice. I like that. And then of course I need to play with these a little bit more. I think the shadows turned out okay. They blended all right with the primer on underneath. The colors came through. We'll see how they go a little bit more in the future, but this was worth $38. So you're getting a really good value in this box actually. So almost $90 already, actually over $90. All right, so the next item is the Kat Von D Liquid Lip in Lovesick. It's worth $20. I actually really like this color. It wasn't perfect for the look that I did today, so I topped it off with that Violet Voss, but I think it'll be a really nice color to kind of blend with other things too. Can't go wrong with a Kat Von D liquid lip. No matter what you think of her as a public figure, this is actually a really nice liquid lip. I like the different kind of tube. It's long, it's got a long wand. It's, you know, a liquid lip, it's nice. And the final item is the Pharmacy Green Clean Cleansing Balm. I haven't ever heard of this before, but I'm excited to try it. It's a totally different formula than I've ever used to clean my face, and it smells amazing. So we'll see how it goes. I'll report back. Maybe I'll use this and the crazy masks all in one night, and we'll see how it goes. Alright you guys, that is the October Boxycharm box. Thank you so much for watching with me. I hope you liked this try on and that you got some good information from it. If you want to try Boxycharm for yourself, it's $21 a month and my link is below. It's not sponsored, I don't earn a commission or anything from it, but check it out if you'd like to. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will talk to you soon. Bye, 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 bye.